horizontal, side to front to side to front. So let's say we're working up to this guy. So let's do the drills first. Left hand, front to side, front to side. 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then with your right arm, same thing. Front to side, front to side, front to side, and front to side. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now if I mirror you, so I'm switching to Poi again. Both arms at the side to front. And 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's do it where your right arm is in the front to start, and your left arm is on the side to start, and then we'll switch them both. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let's start it where your right arm is at the side and your left arm is at the front, and switch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.